Dear friends and supporters, in these challenging times as we witness the unfolding conflict in the Middle East, it is crucial to stand in solidarity with those who are suffering. At Derose Entertainment Store, we firmly believe in the power of awareness and unity. Today we stand with the people of Palestine and proclaim, Free Palestine. We are deeply moved by the ongoing struggle and the resilience of the Palestinian people. It is our mission to use this moment to shed light on the injustice and the heartbreaking reality of the Palestinian massacre. At Derose Entertainment Store, we are committed to being a beacon of hope and a voice for the voiceless. We have curated a special collection of products to help raise and spread awareness about the plight of the Palestinian people. Our framed posters and canvas prints beautifully capture the spirit and strength of the Palestinian community. These artworks feature images of old men, young women, and even boys from Palestine, each piece telling a story of resilience, hope, and unwavering determination. In addition to our powerful artwork, we offer t-shirts emblazoned with the message, Free Palestine. These shirts are not just pieces of clothing, they are statements of solidarity and calls to action. By wearing these t-shirts, you can help spread the message and spark conversations about the need for justice and peace in Palestine. We also have a range of drink accessories, including mugs and water bottles, designed to show support for Palestine. These items serve as daily reminders of the ongoing struggle and the need for continuous advocacy and support. Every sip taken from these accessories is a pledge to stand with the Palestinian people and amplify their voices. By purchasing any of these products from Derose Entertainment Store, you are not only supporting our store, but also contributing to the broader movement to raise awareness about the Palestinian massacre. Your support helps us continue our mission to educate and inform others about the critical situation in the Middle East. We invite you to join us in this important cause. Visit us at Derose Entertainment Store, explore our collection, and choose items that resonate with your commitment to justice and human rights. Together, we can make a difference and show the world that the plight of the Palestinian people will not be ignored. Thank you for standing with us and for using your voice to advocate for those who need it most. Your support means the world to us and to the people of Palestine. Let us unite in our efforts to bring about change and ensure that justice prevails. Free Palestine. At Derose Entertainment Store, we believe that even though it may seem that nothing can be done in the face of such overwhelming adversity, these reminders serve to reassure us of our humanity. They remind us that we are not cold-blooded killers, but compassionate individuals who care deeply about the suffering of others. In future generations, when a boy or girl asks you what you did to stop the conflict, this massacre, you will be able to say, I remembered, I tried. By supporting the Free Palestine theme and purchasing these products, you are preserving your values, morals, and ethics. You are making a powerful statement about what it means to be human and to stand up for what is right. Your support helps us continue our mission to educate and inform others about the critical situation in the Middle East. We invite you to join us in this important cause. Visit us at Derose Entertainment Store, explore our collection, and choose items that resonate with your commitment to justice and human rights. Together, we can make a difference and show the world that the plight of the Palestinian people will not be ignored. Thank you for standing with us and for using your voice to advocate for those who need it most. Your support means the world to us and to the people of Palestine. Let us unite in our efforts to bring about change and ensure that justice prevails. Free Palestine.
Free Palestine, a Philoetic ode to freedom and unity, a poem redacted by Ricardo Derose.
Free Palestine, a Philoetic ode to freedom and unity. In the heart of an ancient world, in human history, where tales of hope and despair form a symphony, there lies a land, ancient and divine, yearning for peace, crying, Free Palestine. The olive trees whisper tales of old, of brave hearts and stories untold. Yet amidst the beauty, there's a lingering pain, a plea for freedom, again and again. Borders and walls may try to confine, but the spirit of Palestine will always shine. Every child, woman, and man deserves to live free, the key foundation of human rights, justice, and liberty. In the land they call home, they constantly live in dread, but dreams of freedom are constantly fed. Yet amidst the alleys of history's maze, Palestinians seek a future that is bright and ablaze. The world watches, often in silent dismay, as the rights of the Palestinians are violated day after day. The yearning for freedom is like the eternal flame. Let us stand for justice, unity, and love in humanity's name. To the oppressors, heed this plea: the earth belongs to all, equally and freely. No nation, no power can claim the divine right to shackle another in an endless fight, for in unity, love, and mutual respect lies the path to world peace we all expect. Palestine's heart beats strong and loud, echoing its plea to the gathered crowd. Let us rise together like a storm of sand, for justice, freedom, and the right to one's land. As long as the night falls, the sun rises, and the rivers flow to the sea, the entire world should restlessly advocate for Palestine to be free. Ricardo Derose. Welcome to Derose Entertainment Store, where we bring you the opportunity to transform your living space into a haven of beauty, culture, and profound meaning. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our exclusive collection of beautifully curated frame posters that tell the powerful stories of the people of Palestine amidst the ongoing Middle East conflict. Our collection features stunning and evocative images of men, women, and children, each representing the resilient spirit of the Palestinian people. These framed posters are more than just pieces of art. They are windows into the lives and struggles of those who have endured unimaginable hardships. By bringing these images into your home, you are not only beautifying your space, but also honoring the strength and courage of a community that continues to fight for peace and justice. Imagine stepping into your home, your sanctuary, after a long day. As you open the door, you are greeted by a gallery of framed posters that captivate the essence of humanity amidst adversity. Each poster tells a story, the story of a young woman whose eyes reflect hope and determination, a boy whose innocence shines through despite the chaos around him, and families who hold on to each other in the face of despair. These images are more than just decor. They are a testament to resilience, love, and the unbreakable human spirit. Your home is your sanctuary, a place where you should feel most comfortable and at peace. Our frame posters are designed to create an atmosphere of reflection and inspiration. They serve as daily reminders of the beauty that exists even in the most challenging circumstances. As you walk through your living room, the vibrant colors and poignant expressions captured in our posters will transport you to the heart of Palestine, inviting you to pause and appreciate the strength of the human spirit. Decorating your home with these framed posters is akin to curating your own personal museum. Each piece is thoughtfully selected to not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also to invoke a sense of empathy and understanding. It's about creating a living space that resonates with your values and your desire to connect with the world on a deeper level. At Derose Entertainment Store, we believe that art has the power to transform spaces and minds. Our goal with this collection is to offer you more than just beautiful artwork. We want to provide you with pieces that inspire and provoke thought. These framed posters are a way for you to engage with the stories of the Palestinian people, to acknowledge their struggles, and to celebrate their resilience. By bringing these framed posters into your home, you are not just decorating. You are making a statement. You are saying that you care about the world and the people in it, that you recognize the importance of standing in solidarity with those who are suffering, and that you believe in the power of art to create change. Imagine hosting friends and family in your home, surrounded by these powerful images. Each poster serves as a conversation starter, an opportunity to educate and enlighten others about the realities faced by the Palestinian people. Your home becomes a space of learning and empathy, a true sanctuary where beauty and meaning coexist. We invite you to explore our collection and choose the pieces that resonate with you. Let these frame posters be a part of your home, your inner sanctuary, and let them remind you daily of the strength and beauty that exists in every corner of the world. Together, we can create spaces that are not only visually stunning, but also deeply meaningful. Thank you for choosing Derose Entertainment Store, where art meets heart and where every piece tells a story.
This video is brought to you by Philoetic, inspired, created and written by Ricardo Derose.
If you find inspiration, give a small contribution. Head to our store. Help us create some more. If you find inspiration, give a small contribution. Head to our store. Help us create some more.